So today we're gonna be changing. We're gonna be doing an oil change on my Honda. You know, my little CRF. It's my baby. She need an oil change. Gotta get ready for the summer. So this is like the little setup that we got right here. All the tools y'all gonna need. Obviously, you're gonna need some gloves, your wrenches. I got the whole wrench set. The oil filter, spring, drain bolt, gasket, a little something to, you know, catch the oil. What else? Some napkins, cause you know, sometimes it be getting messy, just like y'all. Some water. Later on for when the thirst comes, y'all can have a sip too if y'all want. But let's get started, alright? Alright, so first things first, step one, you gotta put on your gloves, alright? You know me? You gotta take care of your hands, you know? So, put on the gloves. A little ASMR so you know the gloves is on right. And get that little, you got sturdy right there, alright? Now I'm gonna do the same thing. When we do to one side, do it to the other. Now we ready, you heard? Let's get to it. Alright, let's get started. So we're gonna drain out the oil first. I already warmed up the bike. I took it out for a spin a couple times. It has some time to cool off, so the oil already circulated through the engine. So you're gonna grab your ratchet and you're gonna get a 12. You're gonna get a 12. Make sure it's on the right side. I already put the catch pan, because if not, that's a mess. And then you just, right here's the drain bolt. Be careful to not get your hand. Get a dirt bike, they said. It'd be fun. Oh, god damn. See, this is why we got the napkin here. So that's the oil right there. We're gonna sit, we're gonna leave it there. Ooh, push it over there. Yeah. So we're gonna let the oil drain out. Once the oil drains out, then I'm gonna go to the other side and then I'm gonna open the casing for the oil filter. But we're gonna leave you gotta leave this like for 5 minutes like that, just dripping, because everything is still, you know, circulating. And yeah, so I'm gonna let this drain over here. All right, y'all, it's been about like 5 minutes. I just let the oil finish draining. There's no more coming out right there, as you can see, pretty empty. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna turn it to the other side and we're gonna open the casing for the oil filter. And we're gonna go and replace the oil filter right now. All right, so now that I moved the bike, right, our oil filter is right behind this casing. So we'll go ahead and we'll take off this casing right here. It's 4 screws. I believe it's 8mm, not sure, but let's get to removing this.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the.
So now we got it off. As you can see, this is the oil filter right here. Ooh, my fault, I should have not put it there. Put it right there. So that's the oil filter. The spring that I was talking about. And then our gasket, which we're gonna replace that. Take it off right here. And we're gonna replace all that with a new oil filter. Well, first we're gonna clean this up. All the old oil, we're gonna get it out that. And then we're gonna I'm gonna show y'all, this is the new oil filter right here. OEM, new gasket, the drain bolt, we're gonna put that back on. And I have the spring too, so let's get to it. So this is the new oil filter. This is brand new. And then I got the new spring right here. So we're gonna go ahead and install this back onto the bike. First, you wanna lubricate it. You can do it with new oil or old oil. I'm gonna do it with new oil. Not everybody has to do it this way. Just a little bit, I think pretty easy. Just so that when you turn on the bike, it doesn't have, you know, such a hard problem. And that way there's like oil in the system. Just take a glove. And just spread it around. Alright, y'all, so I just got done installing the new the oil filter, the spring, and the new gasket. I sealed it up. I'm gonna clean it up and then I'm gonna install the new drain bolt with the washer. And then after that, we just gotta put some oil on the bike and take it for a spin. Alright, so let's get to doing that. Alright y'all, so look, I couldn't find the funnel, but I DIY'd this. Don't do this at home. I basically took a water bottle and I cut the bottom of it. So I don't know if you can see the inside. So I'm just gonna put the oil through here and then drop it into the engine. Listen, when you don't got something, you gotta improvise, man. That's life. DIY. I don't recommend you doing this at home though. Go out and buy the funnel, but for the sake of time, I'm gonna do it like this. Open that up right there. Stick that in there. Now we're gonna grab our new oil that's over here. So I use the Honda oil. It's a Honda. I use the 10W40. It's a little bit more thicker for the summer. You know, with the intense heat and the heat that the bike produces, this oil is thicker, so it'll be able to withstand the heat. Whereas 10W30, it's a little more thinner. So it's like 1.6 that you have to put in that this engine takes. So it's one whole thing of these, and then a little bit of half of the other one.
Flowing through space till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup.
Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Maybe I might not have it, maybe I have it. Let me know what else y'all want to see me do on this. And yeah, appreciate y'all. I'm gonna take it for a spin right now. Let the bike turn on, circulate the oil, and that's about it. Stay up, y'all. Take care.